Hi, this is Elentiodis, PDM Application Specialist at Solid Experts. Today I will show you a display option available for your previews of Solidworks files. In PDM, when the Preview tab is selected, the bottom of the screen is split in two and there's a preview that appears in the left window. You can resize this window if you need to. By default, the integrated preview is done by edrawing. You can view the file and some actions are available. But the browsing from one file to another in PDM Explorer can be slower while the edrawing preview is active. So there's an option available to show the preview in Bitmap that will make browsing a lot faster. Also note that in all cases, the file must be available in the local cache. A copy will be put in cache when the file is selected. So the option is in the Display Option menu. Select Show Bitmap for Solidworks File. So now your preview is shown in Bitmap. And then, if you do want to see your file in the edrawing preview, it's still available. You need to click in the preview window and edrawing will activate. There's also an option if you want to see the full edrawing toolbar in your preview. Also in the display options, click on Show Full UI in SolidWorks Preview. You can also access a context menu with a right click of your mouse in the preview window. These settings are set by user. Hope you enjoyed this tech tip.